Welcome everyone to the Speaking Part 8, Describing an Unusual Situation Analysis. Before we get started, I want to let you know that I will be following the Speaking Part 8 Tips and Strategies Guide. We can find that guide in our CELPIP library in the Speaking Part 8 section. And in that section, there is a video about tips and strategies for Speaking Part 8. And that video provides you some more detailed information about the guide. For now, I will only be going through each part, how we can look at the picture and prepare effectively, what's important about this question. Yes, this question is not really for level 7 or higher. It's more a general question, but the more creative that you can get with the question, I think the better. And now, very important about organizing your response, right? This is the only question where we have to speak directly to someone and in an informal or in a role-playing situation, okay? So that's the guide that I'm going to be following here, how to organize our answer. Now, let's get started. Okay, everyone, let's look at today's question, part 8, describing an unusual situation. Preparation time 30 seconds, speaking time 1 minute. You are at a tourist site and see some street performers. So you went somewhere, maybe downtown, and you saw some street performers. Two men, they are performing, playing some instruments. Okay? These are, well, they look like instruments. That's what is unusual. We need to find what is unusual. And then it says, call your friend Katia and describe in detail what the performers are doing. And ask her if she would like to see the event. So we need to call our friend Katia and describe what these men are doing, okay? And ask her if she would like to see the event. So we need to do that in order. So let's start first by introducing the question. So we need to imagine we are calling someone. We're calling Katia, our friend. Hello, Katia. How are you? It's Justin, and I'm calling because I want to tell you about a very interesting street performers show I'm watching downtown. So we called her, we say who we are, and we tell her the reason why we're calling. Okay? So now we did that. And now we want to describe what is interesting. What is interesting? Okay. So let's see. So first of all, it's a two-man show. Street performance show, two-man show. One of them is playing the drums. Okay, so you see these are called drums. Or it looks like the drums. But they are garbage bins, cans, and buckets. Okay, garbage bins, maybe cans and buckets. Okay, they all look like that. And then you said, it sounds very interesting. Okay, so we need to say, why is that interesting? And it's interesting because they are drums, but they are made of, or they are garbage bins, cans, and buckets. Okay? And you said it sounds very interesting. Next, then the second young man is playing an instrument made of. So we're not sure what is this instrument, but we said it's made of wine glasses, and it sounds like a flute. Okay. So it's made of wine glasses and it sounds like a flute. Okay? Okay. So then what we said here, you said you see wine glasses. Okay? We could say there's water inside of them. See some water. But anyways, the more important part is that we said wine glasses or wine cups, and they and it sounds like a flute. The music that he is making sounds like a flute. Okay? Now, I think we have enough. I mean, if you can describe more, that's good. But everyone, level 5, 6 usually has a problem. They don't finish the question, and we need to finish the question. The last part says, ask her if she would like to see the event. This is very important, okay? So let's make sure that we put that there. Anyway, I think they're really amazing. So do you want to come down and see them? I'll be here for a while. Okay, so everyone, you see? Do you want to come and see them? I'll be here for a while. So then, very important. We introduced the question. We described something here of what's unusual. And we finished. We said, do you want to come and see them? I'll be here for a while. So it's very important to start, describe, and finish. Okay, everyone? And now, while I read this for 1 minute, please focus on the language that I'm using, the connection, okay? Also focus on my sentence descriptions and how I'm describing things and how I finish, and also how I pronounce things and my intonation, okay? Let's speak it. Here we go. Hello, Katia. How are you? It's Justin, and I'm calling because I want to tell you about a very interesting street performance show I'm watching downtown. So, first of all, it's a two-man show. One of them is playing the drums, but they are garbage bins, cans, and buckets. It sounds very interesting. Then the second young man is playing an instrument made of wine glasses, and it sounds like a flute. Anyway, I think they're really amazing. So, do you want to come and see them? I'll be here for a while. Okay, everyone, so I did it in 1 minute. Very important how I kept on talking, everyone. Now let's remember this is a 5-6 example. And so the 5-6 student, if you can say this, for sure it's 6, but the 5-6 students, the problem is many times they don't finish. And also, many times they make lots of simple grammar errors, everyone. Lots of simple grammar errors. And of course, they can't think of the sentence connections. How can we connect? So, everyone, to make our answer great, let's practice reading this example and reading and speaking it in 1 minute. That's one thing. Reading and speaking in 1 minute. Now, the best part would be to see if you can speak it by yourself without reading it. Try to speak it without reading in 1 minute, and also not from memorizing, from keeping that information on your mind. So let's practice that way, everyone. Try to practice because practice makes perfect. I would like to remind you that if you're looking for some more listening, reading, writing, or speaking CELPIP exam practice, then you should definitely subscribe to our CELPIP library. The CELPIP library has hundreds of examples of listening, reading, writing, and speaking, which will help you develop your score, whatever the score you need. Also, the library contains vocabulary, listening skills, reading skills, grammar, and writing skills exercises, which will really help you improve your general understanding of English and also for the exam. So, and you can purchase a 1 month pass or a 2 month or a 3 month subscription for a very low price. And of course, if you really enjoyed this content, then please like this video, share it, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. That way we will keep on producing more CELPIP analysis for your development. Have a great day.